Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S25, and in this video I'm going to show the security tricks. Alright, so let's begin. We can open up our settings. When we are here, we need to open up the About Phone options because we're going to begin with developer settings and a few things that we can adjust right in there. So first, to get access to those developer settings, we need to open up the About Phone, just like I have shown you. Now click on Software Information, and in here we have the build number. We need to simply tap on that a few times. Currently, in my case, nothing is happening because I'm already a developer. But if you will tap enough times, you will see below that you're a developer. Now we need to go back once more, and now under About Phone we have developer options. And now we need to find a few specific options right in here that we can select. So let me quickly find them. And they should be somewhere around here. Okay. So we have the window animation scale, transition animation scale, and the animator duration scale. As you can see, all of those three options are set on 1x. And to boost the speed and the performance of our device, we can adjust those values, but simply don't go higher. We can only select to boost all the performance, of course. We want to go below 1x. So we can select on 0.5 or on off. It's completely up to you. Let's say we will select on 0.5, and it should be practically enough. And remember that everything which you are doing in the developer options are doing on your own. And now we can also scroll down a little bit, and in here we can change one more thing. Find apps. Now background process limit. Defaultly it's on the standard version, on the standard limit, sorry. And to boost the performance of our device, we can select at most 3 or at most 4. Okay, now we can close the developer options. And now, next thing. We can go into the settings. Now we can go above, and let's go straight into the apps. And in here, simply, if you have some of the apps that you are not currently using, simply you can uninstall them to get some free storage space, and it's always good for the speed of your device. So let's find some of the apps that I'm not currently using. I'm wondering if there's something actually. But yeah, now remember that you cannot uninstall the system apps, but for example, when it comes to the YouTube, I think we can uninstall it. No, we can only disable it, but you know what I mean. If you have some of the apps that you are not using, simply uninstall them to get some free space. You can also clear the cache of some apps. To do it, we need to find the storage, and here simply click on clear cache. Boom, now the cache has been successfully cleared. It's not going to be available always, but if you have that possibility on apps, you can simply check it on your own. Do you have some cache that is available to delete? Alright, now we can go back from here, and let's go into the device care. In my case, as you can see, everything is great, but sometimes you will have the optimize button right in here, and simply click on that, then follow the instruction on the screen, and everything will be fine after that process. And now we have the battery, and in here, as we scroll, sorry, not in here, my bad. And we can go into the storage, and we can see, do we have some things in the bin. We can simply empty the bin to get some free space. Boom. For example, from the gallery, we have some photos that haven't been deleted in 100%, so we can manually delete them. If you have some unused apps, you can see them in here, and it's a suggestion that you should uninstall them. And if you have some duplicated files in here, we can also delete them, and we will get some free space thanks to that. Below we have the memory, and now we can perform a clean. We will free, as you can see, almost 800 megabytes, so it's good. So let's clean that space, and we have gained almost 800 megabytes of free space. So that's pretty good. And now under the performance profile, make sure that you are using the standard version. Now we have the auto optimization. So basically this feature provides you with that your phone will be automatically restarted on the schedule that you can set below. So select an auto restart. We can enable to restart where needed, or for example restart on schedule. And basically it's about that restarting your device simply is good for your device health and also its performance, because thanks to that the phone rests, we can say it in that way, and also the RAM gets freed up. So it's always good for your device speed. Back to restart on schedule. In here enable it if you want, of course. And in here, as you can see, we have the days of the week, and in here we can simply select the days on which we want our phone to be restarted. Select the day and now select the hour, then click on done, and now each Thursday, in my case, the phone will be automatically restarted, and I don't need to do this manually. So it's pretty convenient feature. Below we have the software update. Click on download and install if you have some of the updates possible. Simply install them. In my case, as you can see, I have one, so I will download it later. And you can also enable the auto download. And the last thing that I want to tell you about is that you don't need to use the restart on schedule, that feature. To restart your device, you can always do this manually if you want. To do it, we need to open up the power menu. So let's hold the power button and the volume down button, just like that. And now to restart your device, simply tap on the restart button. Then your screen will go black, and your device will be turned on automatically within a few seconds. Also, we can perform a forced restart if it's needed. We need to hold the power button and the volume down button for a longer period of time. I think for around 20 seconds to 30 seconds, something like that. Basically until our phone will be turned off. And just like in the previous method, it will be turned on automatically within a few seconds. Okay. Also, when it comes to the cleaning apps, we can download some third-party apps from the Play Store. We can simply type clear, just like that. And now you can download one of those apps. But remember that before downloading, read the reviews and the opinions about those apps. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.